Hey guys, it's Sean from the Orbs team here on Pangolin DEX, our newest DTWAP integration. It's something that we're super excited about here at Orbs since it is the second DEX to integrate with DTWAP. It's ran by the Orbs Guardians, and you can learn more about all the technical details on our blog at orbs.com. So yeah, for those of you who are new here or who may not know what TWAP is, DTWAP or TWAP is a commonly used in CeFi to minimize price impact of large orders by breaking them up into multiple trades over a period of time. This video is going to serve as a walkthrough. Start using the DTWAP order type on Pangolin. And yeah, so let's just jump right into it. So we are on the live site here, as you can see up here, and we're just on the standard swap page. And over here, this is probably familiar for those of you who use this DEX on the regular, but we have market, limit, and TWAP. And yep, you guessed it, TWAP is where we're going to be going today. So for demonstration, we will select our pair as AVAX, and we want to change it into USDC. Go ahead and punch that in here, and we'll do 1.5. All right. So this part here is pretty much your standard market UI. It's the same exact thing. Just on the DTWAP page. Everyone should, I hope anyways, have a pretty good understanding of what this part does, so we can skip over it. What's new here is down here. And hey, there's the Orbs logo, pretty sweet. But yeah, so starting down the list here, we have limit price. So we'll go ahead and enable this. And so limit price allows you to set a price that you want your TWAP order to execute at. So for example here, one AVAX is essentially 19 USDC, and we will go ahead and punch in 20 here. And what this will do is this will not execute unless AVAX is equal or greater than 20 USDC. Alternatively, just something to be aware of, if you set this to, let's say, lower than the current market price, so 15, this would be executed immediately as the limit is less than the market. So it's just something to be aware of if you're going to be utilizing this feature here. But for the purposes of this video, we'll go ahead and turn it off, as we could be waiting for quite some time. All right, going down next to total trades. So this is the total number of individual trades that will be scheduled as part of your order. Note that it is possible that not all of your your trades here will be scheduled at will be filled, and this is due to some of these settings down here that we'll get into more later. But your order may expire before all of the it can be filled completely. So as you can see here, you can change the total amount of trades, and if you go up here, we'll do 100 AVAX. You can see that you can set this to any number that you wish, unless you'll see the cap here. We cannot go less than 10 USDC per individual trade, so it's something to take note of. Go back here up to our original settings. And yeah, okay. Jumping down here to trade size. So trade size, this is the individual amount that is being transacted with each of these trades that we specified above. So this will update automatically as you trade this. But this setting is just showing you in each of these trades how much is actually going to be transacting each time. All right. Jumping down here to max duration. Max duration is the max amount of time that your TWAP order can be executed for. And this is a cool setting because you can You know, you can set up things in here to make it be for months, for years, if you even chose. So you could dollar cost average over a period of time. So yeah, you can just see 60 minutes, 180, 190, so forth and so on. But for this, we'll just go with the standard, or the default rather, 10 minutes, and jump down to the next one. So the next one is trade interval. This is the amount of time between each individual trade. So these total trades that we set up earlier, this would be the time between each of these. So you know, these two trades, they're going to be broken up 5 minutes apart. You know, when we had the much larger volume punched in here, these 100 trades are going to be executed XYZ amount of time apart. So yeah. This next setting is only if you have placed a TWAP order, or a DTWAP order. It won't show anything if it is your first time using this. And yeah, so all these settings look good. We walk through each of them. There's the Orbs logo again at the bottom here, and we'll go ahead and click wrap. Just going to go through the prompts in MetaMask, standard procedure. You might have to approve your spend limit if you haven't done that already. Yeah, we'll just give it a second here. And there we go. Now I have to approve. Confirm. Let the blockchain do its thing. And all right, looks like the transaction was confirmed. We'll go ahead and place order. All right, so in this screen, you can essentially review all of these settings that we just specified. Everything looks good. Yep. Everything looks what we just set it. You'll get a little disclaimer here that you have to agree to accept the potential risks with executing one of these with a TWAP order. And we'll go ahead and click confirm. And again, we'll confirm the transaction in our wallet. And all right, now we're back on this screen. Don't be alarmed if everything's gone. Your order did go through. Just go ahead and click. So now we go back down to this setting. Now that we have an order, we click view, and we can see our TWAP orders. And here's our order that we just placed. And we can see all the details, the progress, the trade size, all the settings that we just specified. Or if for whatever reason, you can go ahead and cancel if something were to go awry, or if you were dollar cost averaging over a month or so and you didn't want to anymore. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much DTWAP. Again, we're really excited about this collaboration, and we hope that you can utilize DTWAP in your trades to really get an edge over your counterparties, or set up dollar cost averaging in a decentralized manner for quite literally any asset that is supported on the DEX. Thanks, guys, and be sure to check it out. Join us on Telegram if you have any questions.